My father was the only one in his family who came over. So I never had any aunts, uncles, cousins from his side of the family. So my father was, I don't know, perhaps 18 or 19 years old when he came. And he came because if he hadn't come, he would have been arrested, sent to the army, because he had been actively involved in one of the Bund organizations, I think. I think my recollection is it was called a commercial college, whether in fact it was college level as we know it, or more gymnasium kind of, that I don't know. But he and his brother were at this commercial college studying to be, I don't know, accountants or whatever. But he had been involved in organizations, leafleting and so on, had been caught. And it was either getting over the border or getting picked up. And so the family somehow got him over the border, and he came to America alone. And I think connected with some Landsleute, some people from the shtetl where it came from, and remained here, never went back.